Hey everyone, want to add animations in Framer? Animations can make your website feel more engaging and professional by adding smooth transitions, hover effects, scroll animations, and interactive elements. In this full guide, I'll show you how to add animations in Framer in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Framer account and open the website project you want to animate. Animations can be applied to text, images, buttons, sections, and many other elements. Next, click on the element you want to animate, such as a heading, image, button, or container. Once selected, you'll see its properties in the right-hand panel. Now open the animation settings and choose an effect. You can apply animations such as fade, slide, scale, rotate, or other supported transitions depending on the element and your design goals. Adjust the animation's duration, delay, easing, and trigger options to create the look and feel you want. Subtle animations often provide a smoother and more professional user experience than overly dramatic effects. Enhance your website by adding hover animations to buttons and images, or scroll-triggered animations that appear as visitors move through the page. These interactions can make your website feel more dynamic and engaging. Before publishing, preview your website and test every animation on desktop and mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Publish to update your live website. To create a polished website, use animations consistently, avoid excessive motion, keep transitions smooth, and focus attention on important content instead of animating everything. A thoughtful animation improves the user experience without becoming distracting, and that's how to add animations in Framer in 2026. Whether you're designing a portfolio, business website, landing page, or personal project, Framer's built-in animation tools make it easy to create modern, interactive websites without coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.